Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can disconnect calls in the Telegram app. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes. And let's get started. So, if you want to disable calls, it might help you, for example, to stay focused on some of your daily tasks. If you don't want someone to call you in the Telegram app, you may also receive frequent calls from unknown contacts and people you don't know. If you have made a decision to disable Telegram calls for you, first of all, open this application. Next, you will need to click on Settings at the bottom. Here you will choose Privacy and Security. And here you should be able to find a section called Calls. You click on that. And then the very first section here is Who can call me? And by default it says Everyone. And you can, for example, leave only your contacts, or you can leave no one. After that, then you can choose. For example, exclusion. If you click on Add Users, you can select the people that you, for example, allow to call you on Telegram. Once you've selected a few people, you'll be able to click on Save at the top and see the number of people you selected as an exception to allow them to call you on Telegram. Friends, this is how you can disable calls in the Telegram app so that no one bothers you. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon, friends.